Was it?
Welcome back to another week here at RedClean. It's the start of another busy week, a full week, a full-on week actually. We've got a lot going on. Obviously we've got our 14 vans out there doing the window cleaning as per usual. But on top of that, we've also got a job down in Tring. We actually did a survey on it a while ago where John went down and checked on the roof. Delicate tiles, so you know we want to be careful. Hopefully the weather keeps it right for us. Yeah, we've also got another property that we're cleaning the windows for, but on top of that we're also doing the driveway. We also do driveways and exterior sort of jobs, isn't it? So you know we do that option as well, giving the driveway a good clean and clearing the gutters and the windows on that. On top of that we've got a big commercial job over in Northampton where the boys are on top of the roof, big industrial sort of office where they're cleaning out the gutters. Big sky domes on top of this roof, as you'll see. You have to get in and around those to give them a good clean. Just clear them away really to let that rain do its job and let the gutters themselves do their jobs. Please do drop us a like and a comment if you're liking what you're seeing, and yeah, enjoy the video.
So when you get your number plate anyway?
I nearly got one, but it was just all it was. All it was, someone called my car old. I was having a mad moment one night, and it was like 40 quid a month. Have that. That was it.
Hang on, what now?
I toyed around with it for a couple of days, and I was like, do I really want to become a private plate wanker? Yeah. I thought I'm already a BMW wanker, so I might as well become a private plate wanker.
Should off then.
Now you've got the best of both worlds, everybody makes one.
Yeah. Story of my life, mate.
Then again, he drives an Audi. So,
German wanker. Yeah, German wankers, yeah.
anybody else driving a Mercedes? How are you, sir?
How is that scooter in the winter anyway? I'd have thought that would be a nightmare, like with icy roads and that.
Traction.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's called my feet.
I thought it'd be your weight.
The weight.
It's alright, I don't drive a scooter, you cunt.
Fair enough. Here he is. That comes got my wallet.
You left your wallet in another man. Like your vape you left down at the tattoo shop and found it in the roof man. Was it?
I was in there,
A month he was after that.
Yeah. Even Stuart was going to go round and pick it up from everything.
I just thought where's my Aaron gone?
Aaron.
Oh, you know, I thought you'd...
Are you?
Oh fucking hell, bit of dosh in there. Don't want to lose
Aaron's
that.
took his cut out of it though.
You're about 20 quid short.
Yeah.
Aaron, good news or bad news?
I've got Aaron with me today.
I'll have that 20 from the wallet.
You know, it ain't considered overtime having me, right?
I sort of lied there as well. I said good news and bad news. There weren't no good news.
See you later, Paul. See you later, Craig. Fucking hell.
Yeah, I was going to say, man.
Got protected glass on there now, it's alright. Fucking hell.
Yeah, man, just smash.
Alright, so it's another Monday morning down here at RedClean. All the lads actually have just sort of cleared out, actually all bar one. I think we've got Brady sort of stuck in there waiting for his jobs to sort of start. But yeah, all bar Brady have all headed out to get their windows started down here at RedClean. Another busy week. We've got the managers actually just beyond me, sort of having a little discussion. You can see in the back room there, discussing all things RedClean.
I haven't really got much from my son since that I've just come back from catching up today, so yeah, I don't know what to say. I'll be on to Ollie, stuff like that today, canvassing. Did you really get Guy Fawkes?
Yeah, he's 16 now, he's 17, man, but he's keen and he's done cold calling. I think it's worth giving him
He's a nice lad, but no, he's he just he come and got in the car and that, and he's like hello, like he was just a nice lad. I basically gave him a rundown of what it is that we want. To him, I said you'd be on a tracker. I said we want you working 4 hours a night. I said it'd be a minimum wage. I said, and then obviously after the 4 cleans that you get in them 4 hours.
Hold on, are you not selling it though? Because the way I sold it is for all services, so it's not just necessarily.
He gets 10% on all the other services as well. Yeah, so it's not just windows. He's got. I've given him a sheet. He's looked at the website and all that. He just seems like he wants to go out and earn himself a couple of quid while he's doing his A-levels and that. And he said he can get. Obviously, he don't drive yet, but he can get dropped off at areas around Milton Keynes and picked up. So obviously, I'd monitor him going out and doing his 4 hours or whatever. But I just think he's young and he's eager and yeah.
Did you say to him like literally you got a minimum amount within a week? If you don't get that, then that's it.
Yeah. Well, he knows. I said I'd speak to you today because of his age and that. I weren't sure how we play it. But I think it's worth giving him a shot. Do you know what I mean? I mean, it ain't gonna work.
That's the thing, isn't it? Yeah. Just a quick one. Was that van? I keep staring at it. Van MOT LB70. Was that the one you said?
Roof fan. Yeah, roof fan's been done.
Yeah. They go through, did it or?
They did a few bits, didn't it?
Tyre and brake pads, I think. Broke the discs. I don't think it was the discs, was it? It was just the
I've not seen it. I'm not.
it was tyres.
Catch up with everything today.
There's still this van situation though. I know, like we said, it's keeping the roof cleaners always out, which then ties that up. But you know, you've got 2 blokes in one van. They don't stack up. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's difficult because I was even saying to Craig this morning, because if he puts that system back all right in that van, it works all right. What's not to stop us just using that other bloody spare one we've got? Just get a cheap van.
I've always thought it keeps coming up. Like, where is that 9-10 grand 69 plate, 20 plate 30ish k, 40k?
Just chuck
That's
in an older van.
Exactly what I thought.
And then you've got a spare, you know, or another spare. You know what I mean?
That would be absolutely ideal.
And welcome to Wednesday. We're down here with Paul and Craig today, carrying out a scrape and treat job on a property we actually visited a few months ago, to be fair. We came down here with John to survey the place, to check the place out. We'll pop a link to that video actually if you want to check out the house in the glorious sunshine, bright day. Then stark contrast to today as it's quite wet, maybe a little bit too wet actually. I think the boys are going to struggle to get some of this moss off. Also, you can't apply the biocide in the current state. Hopefully the rain will clear up, but unlikely we'll be able to get that on today.
They're delicate, aren't they?
The tiles, yeah.
Off and then removing. The thing is, you can't put it off today, can you? Another boat tile there. There, second row up, just by that V-lock. Just under the V-lock. That's all sticky moss. When you visited in the summer, the moss didn't show up much because it was dry. Now it's wet. Yeah. It's soaked it up in it. That's some sticky moss.
So yeah, it is probably too wet today to really get going on this moss, and we don't think the weather's going to be letting up anytime soon. But we'll see. I think we'll see what happens. We'll weigh it out a little bit, but I can't imagine anything will really change. At the very least, maybe you can get some of the moss off, but it may well require us coming back at a different date to get the moss off a lot more safely, to be honest. We don't want to be taking the tiles off the roof, which is what's going to happen, trying to get the sticky wet moss off. And so yeah, we may well have to come back at a later date and see to the job then. So yeah, we've had to come off the job over at the old cottage. There's just no point really in sort of getting on with it. Tiles are old and susceptible to being damaged, especially when you're trying to get the moss off it. And there's no point in really applying the chemical. It's just going to come straight off the roof. It's not going to be absorbed into it. So what will happen is likely, I think Paul's going to come back potentially on Saturday, see if we can get out and see what he's getting on with. But yeah, just the way it goes. We have to reschedule things. Busy weeks here at RedClean, so it's not always as simple as just getting into another weekday. Today I'm joining Brady and Paul on top of this huge roof. To be fair, there's a lot going on. It's very complex. You'll see from the footage, a lot of intricate little bits where they're cleaning out the gutters and the gaps, getting in there with a brush actually. Yeah, and just making this roof look nice and keeping it tidy really. So yeah, we're gonna go up there and see how they're getting on for this huge sort of business office complex. And yeah, I'll go find them on the roof. Up the stairwell to go and join the boys. Oh, I think I found a bit of a ladder. Some sort of metal stair ladder. There we go. Now the challenge is finding Paul and Lucky and Brady up here.
Hello, mate.
All right. Has it?
Yeah.
Huh?
You found it.
Yeah. So you just like clear them out of like stuff and let the rain wash all the crap
all
away.
the way around, every single one can off that.
So I'm blocking all those.
Yeah. So,
Quite a big roof though, isn't it? Quite intricate, lots of bits and pieces.
It's alright, isn't it? seriously, man. Yeah.
You're fueled by them mid spice, man. Oh, gentlemen.
Waiting.
So yeah, the guys are just finishing up now on the outside of the roof, on the cherry picker, on these gutters on the outside of the building. Just, you know, ensuring that they're staying clear so the water can be free and flowing. And that's what we're doing today. We're just clearing out the gutters on this roof, on top of it, on the sides of it. Just, yeah, to ensure that there's no blockages and that this building can maintain the free-flowing state that it desires when the rain decides to rain. But yeah, that's enough of me chatting rubbish. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and this what has turned out to be a lovely Thursday afternoon here. Safety first with RedClean, always.
Put the pin in. I've done it. Pin in first and knock it over there.
Sorted.
Another day done.